Welcome the caring Cancerians to Bloom of Divinity for the fortnightly readings. So let's begin your fortnightly readings. So the first card for you guys in terms of career, the second card in terms of your finances, third card in terms of relationships, and the fourth card in terms of fortnight in general. So the first card in terms of career is the Chariot. In terms of finances is Nine of Cups. In terms of relationships is Six of Swords. And in terms of week in general is Two of Swords. So Chariot in terms of work or career is saying that this is the time where you have to pull in whatever the best you have in yours. So you have to get completely focused and get driven. Do not let that laziness or that desire like, oh, I have done this, I'm tired. No, do not let that thing, those feelings come for this fortnight. You have to gather all what is there in you and keep moving forward, and do not get diverted into too many things as of now. Put all your focus in one area of your work. Like if you are working on multiple projects this fortnight, you have to pick up which is the most important one and put all your focus into that one project or that one area of your work. Say if you handle sales, you have operations, you have human resource management, so pick up one thing that you are going to excel in this fortnight, so do that. In terms of finances, the card is Nine of Cups. So Nine of Cups is saying sit back and relax. Things are going to fall into that proper place by themselves. You do not have to worry too much about how things are turning and how much I have to make sure things that everybody in my family or my like for whomever you are providing for is being provided for. So you do not have to worry about that. You just have to simply sit and relax and enjoy the rewards of what you have toiled for this long time and what you are doing the best. Keep working, keep doing what you do the best. In terms of relationships, the card is Six of Swords. Six of Swords is telling that there were some troubles, some relationships were not working properly, but now they are that boat is going to come across to the harbor, that things will start moving forward in a very positive manner. All those troubles are behind you, but along with that movement, the people who are very important for you are still along. And in this case, if you have to make a transition from one relationship to another person, or a relationship ended where things did not turn out good for you, there are people who love you, who appreciate you, and they are going to stand besides you. So like if your relationship did not work, do not feel disheartened that nobody is there to care about me. There are a lot of people who care about you, and we have a positive attitude, because those people are going to stay along with you whatever you decide in life. For the fortnight in general, the card is Two of Swords. So Two of Swords is saying that there's a very important decision that you have to take. A decision where you are at crossroads. You have to decide which area, which way I have to walk. So think very carefully and be logical. Do not get carried away by emotions, because there are certain things which you are not realizing that this is happening. No, do not ignore those. There are certain things which are making you depressed, which are making you feeling disheartened. Those phases are going to get over. Those things are at the peak of that negativity. Now the negativity is going to start. That sorrowness of your feelings, or the disheartenment, it's all going to go away. Let's pull up an emotion card for you for this fortnight. The emotion card for you for this fortnight is of hunger. Do not get too greedy in what you are. Keep a check on what is your hunger. What are you hungry about at your work? Are you hungry about appreciation, or are you hungry for a new position? Keep that in check. Keep your hunger at work in check. For finances, you have enough. Have that feeling. There are people who may have more than you, but if you keep looking towards the sky and start walking, you are bound to make a fall. But if you realize what is beneath, if you keep your eyes towards what you have and have a check, you feel grounded and you are safe. You do not have a fall. So keep that thought in your mind. In your relationships, in terms, I would say hunger is like, what are you hungry in your that relationship? What feelings, like if I go and meet this person, what kind of feelings are incited in me? What will I feel about that? So that is my hunger. So what is the passion that's driving you towards that person? To keep that, look at, work out on that area. In week in general, I would say keep your hunger and all in control. And specifically in general terms, I would say, like, eat how much is you required by your body. Do not like starve yourself, or do not overfeed yourself. Keep the Have a literal translation of the word hunger here. Keep everything in control, and especially check about your digestive systems. In case if you have any digestive issues, health issues, keep your medication control. Even if it's small simple acidity, keep your acidity medicine with you. If you have any other health ailments, try to keep your this thing medicines in check, especially with the digestive problems, as I said earlier. Keep those in control with you. So this were the readings for you for this fortnight. Hope you all have a year where all your dreams and your desires get manifested.